Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Today I am so excited. We just did a Lemoncello palette from ColourPop. Check out that video if you haven't. And now I have Facetory to check out and show you which new amazing sheet masks we got this month, plus our one skincare product. If you don't know what Facetory is, it is exactly that. You get, the plan that I chose was a 7 Luxe or 7 Plus. I always forget. I'll leave the link below for sure. But that plan, so it's got 7 sheet masks plus 1 to 2 skincare products. I always say I only get 1 because I never have gotten 2 extra. But I love getting it every month. I love trying these sheet masks. They are Korean sheet masks from the brand Facetory. Oh yes, it's called a 7 Luxe. They give you a nice sheet that tells you all about them, which is fantastic. Sorry about the lighting, the sun is coming in and out of here. And yeah, so let's get into it. I am so excited. The skincare bonus this month is Sandawa Camellia Healing Lip Balm. And this is the packaging. Let's check it out. Never heard of this brand. I don't think I've gotten anything from them. I think I say that a lot because I can never remember everything that I've got as I, you know, throw things around. But I've never gotten a lip balm from them, so that I do know. Ooh. I have lip stuff on, so I'm not gonna try, but it does smell really, really good. It's probably going to be an amazing lip balm. Cannot wait to check that out later. Then it also tells you, which I like to read out, why they love it, which is, since we wear protective masks all the time, our lips have been super dry and crusty. Truth, not fun. But this lip balm has helped tremendously. We love that it contains natural ingredients that make our lips feel moisturized and soft. A major bonus is that it sinks in super well and our lips don't feel sticky after applying the product. Ooh, that sounds really, really good. Okay, let's move on to the sheet mask. I'm so excited. All right, so the first one on top is from the Facetory brand themselves, which I have tried, I think, almost all of them now, and I love them. And this one is Oats. Oats My Bananas. Oats? Yeah, Oats My Bananas. Soothe and Protect Fragrance-Free Facial Sheet Masks. This is what it looks like. Super cute. Love the pink and the yellow. It says this one, this sheet mask is inspired by our best-selling Calming Glow Weightless Facial Oil. Ooh, I have not tried that yet. Need we say more? We absolutely love how comforting this banana fiber sheet mask feels, and the glow we get after the application is nothing short of amazing. We notice our skin looks much brighter and a lot more even. That sounds amazing. I've been using the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizer, and I freaking love it. I love the smell of it. So I cannot wait to try this banana sheet mask. Woo! Alright, next one we've got, it says Mold Dream Soul. I think that's what it says. All green mild mask. And this is what this mask looks like. It says this sheet mask is perfect after a day out and about. Has super soft tentacle Tencel? T-E-N-C-E-L. I don't know what that means. Material and gentle essence that is made from some much needed relaxation time. Use at night to help calm, detox, and hydrate. That sounds really good. Oh hey, they started putting the prices on it. That's cool. The lip balm is worth $10. So what did I pay for this? I paid closer to $40 to get it here in Canada. I believe it is $19.99 in the States, and I didn't even say that. I was so excited to get into these sheet masks, so I apologize for that. But like I said, I will leave the link below. So already the skincare bonus is $10. This sheet mask is worth $3. And these ones are in USD prices, so it's even a little bit more expensive for Canada. And this one is $3.50. That's cool. I don't think they ever put them on there before, the prices, or I just didn't notice. know. It doesn't really matter to me because I always love these sheet masks. I'm always excited to get them and try them out. Ooh, the next one sounds really good. Canadian Glacial Water Luminous Mask, honey, hyaluronic acid, moisturizing, soothing, and deep care. Oh, that, look at the packaging. That sounds so amazing, and I love the packaging of this. All right, this one is worth $3, and it says this sheet mask is perfect to use in the morning or at night since it doesn't leave a sticky residue on our skin. We love how healthy, supple, and glowy our skin looks. We notice that it helps minimize redness and soothes our skin super well. It's perfect for tackling dehydrated skin after wearing our protective masks all day. True, 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 true. All right. So next one we have, oh, it's from the same brand of the lip gloss, Sandawaha. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. It's the Journey of Camila Calendula mask, and it's for soothing. I love the packaging. Let's see what it says. It is worth $3, and they love it because we love how the sheet mask feels on our skin. It contains a ton of skin loving essence that feels super refreshing after a long day. We notice our skin looks brighter right after the application. Sounds good to me. Ooh, okay, we got three more. The next one sounds amazing, and it says Let Me Skin Ultra Bubble O2 Mask, brightening and O2 massage and elasticity. It sounded good to me because I like when they bubble. I love a bubble mask. It's so cute. Dual function cosmetic for improving whitening and wrinkle. Oh, so it's a wrinkle mask. That's cool. Let's see what it says about it. It says the sheet mask is loads of fun, but aside from the laughs and happy feels this mask gives us, it does super well balancing our complexion. Our skin feels soother and looks so radiant. We absolutely love this one. Ooh, that does sound good, and I cannot wait to try it. Okay, second last one, we've got Hanaru modeling mask, skin texture improving lifting effect, one-step modeling mask that does not require separate tools and mixing process. Peel off pack. That sounds really interesting. I like the packaging. I like the girl there. That's really cool. Let's see. It says it's $3. Did I say the price of this one? Whoa, this one's $5, by the way. I think it's the same one. It doesn't really look the same on the sheet, but it says modeling mask can be pretty messy if you have to mix it. This one is amazing because it gives us it's ready to use, and it feels super relaxing on the skin. It gives us a total spa vibe, and our skin looks so much better after. So this mask is made to help soothe out texture while also addressing common skin concerns like dryness, blemishes, and hyperpigmentation. Okay, I've never tried a modeling mask. A modeling mask? Yeah, I've never tried one. No idea what it's about. I might have to do some more research on it before I do test it out, but that is super fun. Cannot wait to try it. All right, we are on to our last mask. I'm so sad, but I'm gonna have so much fun trying these masks out. This one is the Bioactive. Whew, that sounds kind of scary. My eyes itchy. Okay, it's an ampule mask offering nutrition and moisture to dry skin, activates aquaporin and improves skin elasticity, uses microfiber mask sheet, protects sensitive skin, and long-lasting moisturization. That sounds amazing. Oh, by the way, this one's worth $3. I'm really bad for that because I'm not used to the price being there, and this one's also worth $3. It says the sheet mask is great to go where. The sheet mask is great to go whenever our complexion feels and looks a bit irritated because of dryness and redness. It's super refreshing holy the words. And the material is ultra soft. We feel like we're giving our skin a gentle hug. Ooh, that sounds really good. I'm feeling kind of dry, so I might have to test this one out tonight. Super exciting. What do we think? of our 7 sheet masks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just checking. Yep, 7 sheet masks. And our lip product, pretty good. I haven't tried any of these masks yet. So I'm really excited that I didn't get any kind of double. I actually, like, I don't mind when I get doubles, but I do love trying the new ones. So I am super pumped to test these out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.